without it's about fairness and it seems
Does
fair.
it look like now?
Does
Your copy doesn't look like now?
I look at the end of the document where it is done. Your Honor, I am very close to this court. What I do, I say, I'm begging that this question is asked to the administrator. Whatever I have handwriting. Yes. From the, to the word doctor. Because when you go to see a patient, you don't go, you go with the word doctor.
That is understood. You say you can't read its things because it's photocopy. The Constitution is suggesting that it looks like that. So does it or
I don't want to myself. Yes, I don't want myself. Yes. Pass. Do you remember dictating to Dr. Naroka? You did to a word doctor. I made a dictating to a word doctor. My Lord, my question is, unfortunately, my Lord, if willing to answer clear, straight questions, he can indicate short quote and then we go to the next process. I'm not, I have no instructions to exchange with the doctor, understand? My Lord, I request that where the question is clear, let him provide clear answer. He's not an advocate for anyone here.
So, doctor, for your question is you cannot read the name at the bottom. You dictated. You can't. You're not expected to remember every doctor.
Even the doctors that I looked at with.
Also, and where he's copy to him, where it is clear.
It's clear.
Yes. So, questions.
Yeah. In that case, since we got it from the defense photocopies, we could also use the defense copies.
We did carry, we are not asking the question to us, we did carry the documents. Give him yours, you are not reading it from ours. That is it. You can turn it around.
You can see.
You can turn it upside down. This one has seen number one now.
So you're saying
This is the overall
that's what I said.
that all documents that you, now all the documents you have named,
Yes.
you wrote or dictated?
Yes.
Uh,
There are some that
Do
I
you
saw.
have any that you saw?
Yes, there are some that I could have seen, but because they're not clear, I cannot commit myself like the X-ray. I saw a picture of an X-ray, but I need to see the clear picture. This picture is faint.
What else did you see?
I saw some other pictures.
In terms of the, okay, pictures are
Of
also
those
good.
prices that I was.
In terms of the documents given to you, do you remember seeing any other?
Let me check again.
Yeah, you never physically release. Wrote, dictated, saw.
Yeah. So the notes, my colleague, but for me to add my notes, I don't repeat what he has prescribed. So, okay.
Now, we are going to save on the time. Go to the beginning of the plan of documents. Doctor, did you see the admission form for the patient? Yes or no?
Yes, I should have seen it at that time because I have to confirm that it's the patient I'm treating.
Of record, you saw the assessment form, correct?
I should have seen it because I have to confirm that this is the patient I'm treating, I'm going to treat. That's required. You see it, you should confirm that you are treating this patient.
Did you see the initial notes, initial nursing notes, where the vitals of your patients were taken? Did you or you did not?
The role of...
Did you see the question is saying, my lord?
I cannot be sure about that.
Can you confirm that in medical practice, these clinical nursing notes are taken at the reception of the patient?
I can confirm that.
And among others, they guide the next action officer, the next physician, on as to what they are dealing with.
Especially the anesthesiologist.
Do they guide the next action officers?
Yes, the emergency doctor, the anesthesiologist. Yes, very important.
They guide the
Yes.
handling.
Yes, handle the patient, yes.
The emergency doctor and an anesthesiologist.
Told this court that before theater, you have to ensure, among other things, that the blood is secured. Did you see the blood transfusion form
Your
on
Honor.
the file?
Yes, let me answer that question.
Did you or you did not? Now, doctor, I am really very sorry, sir. Please,
And let me answer the question.
humbly request you to provide straight answers to this.
I am being asked very detailed questions.
So doctor,
All right?
before
Before,
a patient,
yes.
before you take a patient
Yes,
to
to theater.
theater, you ensure that there is blood secured.
An analyst has
No,
to.
no. What about you, the
Me?
doctor? Is
Yes,
it your
yes.
role to ensure?
No, it's
Let's-
an analytics role. That's what
let's
I'm answering that one.
Let's first leave the analysis. You.
We are a team of
Doctor, we are
doctors.
asking about you, Mr. Sechimpi. We want to leave things done by
I'm not concerned with the brain and the saturation of the patient because there's an
Doctor
anesthesiologist.
Sechimpi, we're asking about you did
Yes,
the orthopedic surgery.
yes,
do you need, as an orthopedic surgeon, to ensure that blood is available?
Yes. And
So-
I get a report from the anaesthetist that the patient is stable and fit for surgery because
So
he's the
what
expert.
about the issue of the blood? How do you ensure?
It's the anaesthetist to make sure that the blood is available, and he usually assures me that
So in this case,
Yes.
the anesthetist
yes,
assured you
it's the primary.
that blood
Yes,
there's blood
Yes.
available for you?
yes, yes, because it's the primary person to be, giving anesthesia, resuscitating the patient as we work on our injuries.
Those details are good, but certainly they are not the ones we need. Tell this court whether you saw or you did not see.
I cannot remember, it's 2.5 years ago, Your Honor. I will lie in court, but I know that we get guarantees that the patient has been resuscitated and the blood is available. And the anesthetist cannot allow this patient to go to theater if all those issues are not addressed properly.
You are still
That's why
answering my question.
Yes.
My question
So
requires
that's how I can answer that question, Your Honor.
So you said you cannot remember if you saw the form.
For blood, yes, I don't look at those forms if the anesthetist has assured me blood is available because they're the ones in charge of that and the emergency doctor. Yes.
the pre-operative record is the one that you used in the theater. The pre-operative record is the one that is supposed to be used in the theater, correct?
It is used in the theater.
Did you see it?
You can't remember it.
I can't remember. I think we can move on to the discussion. Yeah. Because it's in the area of anesthesia, and once they assure me everything is fine, we go ahead.
There exists to ensure that there is blood.
There's blood, the vitals are fine, and the patient will be stable throughout the operation.
Doctor, other than road traffic accident or car crash as documented in those hospital documents, and I want to be sure that by hospital documents, I'm referring to those titled IHK.
Yes.
Is there any documented cause of injury of More Katanga, either that was recorded by your colleagues and you read it, or recorded by you personally?
Yes, there's a record that I made because I treated with the patient for a while, and I came to know the exact cause of the injuries she had from her and relatives.
I shall break my questioning. Let's begin from those written by your colleagues that you would have seen. Did you see any?
At the emergency,
Did you or you did not?
yes, at the emergency I saw because I scanned through quickly.
Take court
Yeah.
to the emergency that you saw.
You saw what?
Part of the identification of the patient has been seen.
What was written at the emergency?
At the emergency, I want the identification of the patient and
Emergency doctor, you're referring to which form?
patient emergency assessment form.
Patient.
The one
Yes, this prostitution exhibit 103A. That one? Are you referring to that one? Which one?
Yes,
Doctor, are you referring to that one?
yes, because I have to know the patient's name and
No, I have not asked for those questions. Please say court to write what we don't need. In this accident assessment form that you say you saw, is there any recorded cause of injury other than road traffic crash and car crash?
I'm just seeing road traffic crash.
You see
And
that
car crash.
form has-
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm seeing on that form.
Okay, thank you. So, other than, in relation to the documents that you read, is there any other form that describes the cause of Mole Katanga's injuries?
The report I made.
No, I will come to that. I've said it. Just go on record. Either there is another or there is none.
I'm not sure that is another or there's
To the
none.
best of your
To
knowledge.
the best of my knowledge,
Yes.
Yeah.
From the documents that you read, and most especially in the bundle provided by the defense before you, is there any other cause of Mole Katanga's injury that you saw or not? Provide a straight answer.
I've not seen another cause.
You have not seen.
Maybe I missed it. Because it's
Now let's go to those that you said you wrote. Which one did you write?
I started with the consent.
The one is that you wrote. Consent. Okay. This is patient consent, procedure or operation, correct?
Yes.
Dated when? Is it dated?
Second of November.
What did you write? Read it as is.
So there's the patient. So you start with the patient identification,
No problem.
the patient number which you,
We can see Katanga. What did you write?
and then for you write the whatever.
What did you
The
write?
diagnosis, as you see at that time,
What
fracture metacarpals and ulnar, opening,
you wrote? Yes.
yes,
What did you write?
fracture metacarpals plus ulnar, opening plus splinting.
That's what?
Please, Doctor, I beg your pardon. Read it again, for court.
Fracture metacarpals plus ulnar for opening and splinting. That was
That's all you wrote.
yes. That's what I wrote.
Okay. Any other form that you wrote? Remember, my question is on the cause of Mole Katanga's purported injuries. You have any other document? Under your hand at the hospital.
So then the theater notes.
Sorry, doctor.
We go to the theater notes.
The theater notes. The theater notes. When did you make these theater notes?
After
The date is not there. Does it indicate the date? Your theater notes, are they dated?
it is the same day, the 2nd of November.
My lord, the question is, are they dated? If they are dated, please show court the date.
The date is on the original page of theater notes.
Now I'm referring to you things which you wrote. Did you put the date
But
Is there a date on that?
on
on that page?
on on the first page.
Now, doctor, I'm asking about the page where you wrote, my lord, the witness has been clear. He does not want to be asked about what other people did.
Can I?
And we are fully complying.
Can I answer a question, sir?
Please.
Your Honor, can I answer the question?
And my question is, did you indicate
When we are
that
two sergeants, I write what my colleague
my lord,
has not
those
written.
are details. Now I'm asking you.
My lord, you said that already.
So on your,
That's how I have answered the question.
on your notes, on your
On my
theatre
station,
notes,
yes, notes. Because
so
the extension of the
question
theatre
is-
notes.
So the answer is that on your theatre notes, there are no, you didn't put a date.
Even the name is not put the name of the patient because it's already on the original page, theatre notes. This is an extension because you see the reason why I'm writing on this one is because this one has been filled by my colleague.
Okay, so you followed from your colleague.
Yes.
Now that you extend it to your colleague, I want you to tell this court, from what your colleague wrote and from what you wrote personally, is there any other cause of Mole Katanga's injury other than the one that we have traversed?
Yes.
Contract capsule.
Yes.
Let's begin with yours.
Mine.
Show court where you indicate the cause of injuries.
Okay. I don't.
Are we now on the theatre notes?
Yes, my lord.
Theatre notes don't have to have the cause.
That's why this
It's
court,
not a master
this
issue
court
of
has
cause.
advised you, if they are not there, say it's not there. Then we go.
But you were clarified by the law that are you talking about theatre notes because you said you were just asking a general question
So on
until you clarified. On the theatre notes, yes,
you wrote
we
the
write
cause.
about the operation.
I'm now asking about cause, doctor.
It is not part of the theatre notes, Your Honor.
It's not.
Yeah.
So
Because it has
it's
already
not-
been alluded to. Right.
Oh, it has already been
Yeah,
alluded
yeah,
to
by-
earlier as road traffic accident. Correct? So, yours, there is nothing. Confirm to court that even your colleagues, doctor names that you follow.
It is not part of the procedure of court to write the cause. You don't write all the details in the theatre notes.
It's okay, doctor. I just want you to
The cause is written in the
there
patient's
or
notes,
it's not there?
not in the theatre. So it's not there.
So the,
It's not
what
there.
I recorded is the cause of injury is not part of the
Yes.
theatre notes because it's already been alluded to earlier in
Yes.
the patient notes.
Patient's notes.
Okay. Is there any other document? Let's finish all the documents so that this court can be sure that we have exhausted
So
IHK documents
I
on
take-
what they were dealing with.
I take you to my report.
Which report?
The one
Report to who? Report to?
from the request of the police sergeant.
Report to the police sergeant.
Yes.
I will come to that.
Yes.
That's an external report, and I promise I'm coming.
It's not external. It's a report of what I did.
Now, at this stage, my lord, I'm dealing with the clinical notes of the hospital. I will now come to what you told the other people outside. Let's exhaust the patient's file. This report is not the patient file. Is there any document in your patient's file that
Your-
speaks
your
to the
Honor.
cause of injury different from what we have told court?
I cannot be sure about whether that record is in the
There or
hospital or not. Yes, the administrator of the hospital will confirm that.
Fair enough. Now, as far as you are concerned, you, Dr. Setin, did you make any clinical notes other than speaking to anything relating to cause of injuries other than what we have said?
It is the same answer I'll give you.
Which answer is? It is.
I cannot confirm what you are asking because it's okay a while.
Well, admission form, which you say you saw, that you use the photocopy so that the court knows that we are getting it. What is the record? It stands for in medical terms.
That should be hypertension.
HTN stands for
Wait, that should be hypertension.
hypertension. So in medical terms, when a patient is presented and you write known HTN, what does that mean?
Which is a non-hypertensive patient.
At the time of presentation? Your perioperative notes, if you like, you may go there. The one you say you co-authored with Dr. Onen. Perioperative notes.
I think you are really pushing.
Yes,
That's not true.
That's
Your
not
Honor.
true. He never said that. He only
Yes, sir.
filled the last. So this one is actually by the analyst, even if you look at it. So he didn't say that.
My Lord, hasn't he just said that
Yes,
he
I
did
wrote
not put
the
the
data
dates?
notes. I co-authored the data notes because I did it.
Yeah, Mama, she had just said
Data notes, not the
Data notes.
Yes, data notes. Then perioperative.
he had just
Pre-operative. Pre-operative is by
Doctor,
the
don't participate in this meeting.
The only pre-operative document I wrote on is the
Doctor,
post.
please wait for the questions.
From my Lord, from our understanding, the doctor has just told this court, his notes did not have his names, he did not have the date, or the name of the patient. And the reason given is that these are already captured.
No, my lord, that's not true. The witness said that the document did not have the patient's name. It had his name.
Okay, let's
And what he said,
my Lord, I can
my
read
lord,
another way.
and what he said is that if you look at the page written by Dr. Name, that's where you have the patient's, that's where you have the date.
That's okay.
So he said, and even before he was looking through them,
That's okay.
he said he doesn't know the period
Let's
operative,
proceed.
except she knows the notes of Dr. Name and his notes.
That's okay, Mr. Carlos. So, doctor, why didn't you indicate your name
It's so
on your...
look at the upper part.
Right. The upper part is page 2.
On page 15.
The upper part of
Data notes.
the theater notes.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, great.
So we are page 15.
Yes.
So page 15 has your name.
Yes.
Why don't your notes bear the patient's name?
The name is on the first page of the data notes.
And on the first page of the theater
Theater notes.
notes, which is page,
Which is written, I think it should be 14.
oh no, let's start it.
So the name of the patient
Yes.
is the first page.
Yes.
The data notes.
The data notes, this one written by Dr. Name. Should be.
Please look at it. Doctor, do you see any name of the patient on that page you are referring to? Is it there? Is there a spot and we move?
That was something I assumed. But it's a booklet. I wish you can get that booklet.
The name here on that part.
Okay, Your Honor, there is a booklet in theater.
Is the name there?
Yes. Can I?
First answer. Is the
Let me answer.
Is the name there on that part? The name of the patient? Dr. Sechidi, is the name
No,
there?
here, this is theater notes.
Yes,
Here,
on the theater
on
note.
the
Is it there?
real theater note, it's not there. And I will explain why it's not there. It's because it's the
Doctor, we wait for questions.
But my Lord, that question was asked just
My
one.
Lord, I'm going to apply because the law gives us an option for a witness of this kind who is not waiting to answer questions.
Mr. Mwaganya,
Don't intimidate me.
Yeah, because my Lord, I can only do what. So, again, back to the question, why is the patient's name not on your notes? Because you were referring it to a page, assuming that your name is
Your Honor, theater operation notes is a booklet. You start with a pre-operative intervention. By the time you reach the end silence, plus we just wait what we've done. Because everything that's detailed, and it's a booklet, I wish the Mr. can bring it here. These are photocopies, but it's the whole booklet. And it's only when the village is full that.
So, would you, as a surgeon, impress yourself with the respiratory status of the patient you are just going to?
Yes, that tells us everything is. These are professionals.
You have just said yes.
Because, yes, that's what.
Would you impress yourself in the periphery of the patient what you are going to operate? Yes.
The patient should be fit for surgery, and the role the mandates for the anesthesiologist should always parameters and in normal range. My role, I should operate the patient who is fit.
In short,
Yes.
it is the anesthetist
Yes.
who
And they are monitoring
concerns themselves
stroke.
with the vital
Yes. Proceed, everything is fine.
for
Yes.
yourself.
Yes, you don't. Unless there's a big mistake. And usually they tell us to stop. If there's an instance like that, like cardiac arrest, you stop. It's
Not required to put it,
bring it and whatever they write it.
They write it down.
They write what they are supposed to do.
okay.
Yes.
You as surgeon, you impress yourself with the written instruction.
Your Honor, it's a delicate thing. If I start looking at, I would be losing my focus on my operation.
So after, when you have started the operation, the anesthetist has said the operation is going
Yes.
and then
I have to
exactly
quickly,